Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into setting up your first project on teamwork.com, the complete 2025 guide. Let's kick things off by logging into your teamwork.com account. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first. Now that we've done that, you'll see a dashboard where you will manage your projects. Next up, find and click on the Add Project button, usually on the top right corner. This helps us because it's the first step in creating a new project. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic project information, such as the project name, description, and start and end dates. The reason we do this is to give your project a clear identity and time frame. Once you've filled in the details, you'll be able to choose your project's privacy settings. You'll decide who can see your project, which is critical for the confidentiality and security of your project. So, take a moment to carefully select the appropriate settings. Now, let's add some team members to the project. Click on the People tab and add your team members' email addresses. This step is essential because your team members are the ones who will be collaborating and working on this project. Once you've added your team members, assign them their roles and tasks. Look for the Task tab and start creating tasks, setting deadlines, and assigning them to your team members. This step is important because it ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for. To wrap things up, hit the Save button. Congratulations, you've just set up your first project on teamwork.com. This action finalizes your project setup and makes it live for collaboration. In conclusion, setting up a project on teamwork.com involves creating a new project, filling in the project details, setting up privacy, adding team members, and assigning tasks. It's a simple and straightforward process that enables effective collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success on teamwork.com.